Polaris 230 cruiser here at MarineMax Pensacola. I want to give you a quick walkthrough of this boat and show you some of its key features. We're going to start at the transom of the boat where you have a Mercury 150. This is a great propulsion for this boat. Should be more than enough to get you out on the water doing everything you and your family love to do. Now moving forward a little bit, we do have the sun pad seating on this boat with a switchback seat. Great for entertaining. Coming up, we do have the dual cabin chairs. And if you come over to the helm here, we do have a Simrad with the JL audio. We have wireless charging also available on the helm here and auxiliary ports. Coming up to the front, you do have your dual loungers on both sides. Center mounted table that comes standard with every Harris pontoon. Feel free to come by, take a peek at this boat, but like and subscribe to our channel for more content like this.